sign up to this particular website that I'm going to show you and reveal to you today, which is completely free, which means that you are not going to invest any money from your pocket, and also worldwide available, which means it doesn't matter in which part of the world you're living right now. Everywhere you are going to use this method and earn money. And guys, it doesn't require any skills or any previous experience at all. In fact, it will be so easily and it will take you some couple of hours to finish, but you are going to earn money that like you have worked all day long, because the money, it will be so many, like thousands of dollars per month. Now guys, what you will have to do is just follow the steps that I'm going to explain through this video, so in the end you will be capable of doing this by yourself and you are going to enjoy while doing it. Now guys, before I jump into more details, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Now let me reveal to you the website that is going to make you earn money, and that is called Promo Republic. Now guys, I'm pretty sure, 100% sure, that most of you have never heard about Promo Republic. So let me explain to you a little bit what it is. So Promo Republic basically is a social media marketing platform. Over here people can come and seek for help from Promo Republic in exchange for money, and then we'll help them out to grow their followers on Instagram or on Facebook or anywhere else on social media platforms, and in this way they are going to get more money online. This is what basically Promo Republic does, but I'm not going to tell you to become a member on Promo Republic, neither to invest any money, because as I told you at the beginning of this video, you are not going to invest any money from your pocket to do this. So guys, what you will have to do is totally a different strategy, in which I'm going to give you all the information right away, right now. So what you will have to do is, soon as you come to the Promo Republic, is scroll down till you reach the end, and the company section you are going to find the partner program. Just click on that, and over here you are going to see all of the information about the affiliate program. Now, as you have understood already, we are going to promote Promo Republic. And why so? Because it has one of the best benefits of the promotion out there that you have ever seen before. Let me give you some information about that. So first, you are going to earn up to 35% per sale by promoting this website. Dashboard to keep a track of all of your progress, and also the payouts will be via one of the most famous one and your favorite, PayPal. Their top performance will get $1,500 to $3,000 monthly commission on average. And this is only on average, guys, not the highest commission. 20% to 35% revenue share commissions per sale, easily converting products. 1 to 3% is the regular sales conversion, also clear and understandable value for your audience, extra bonuses for top performance, also on a personal affiliate manager, and the product onboarding process for the affiliates. Now guys, if you need more information, you have to click on learn more over here, because I don't want to prolong this video by telling you all the benefits and also the features that Promo Republic has, because it will be the video very long and very boring. So what you will have to do is just focus on the commissions over here. Now I know this is not the highest you have seen already, because I have represented to you websites who have like 40 or even 50% commissions per each sale. But the best one about this is that it offers prices for bill monthly and also bill yearly, which means that most of the people are going for the bill yearly because it will save them up to 25%. People who are going to use a Promo Republic want to see results in a very fast way, and they want to gain a lot of followers, which means that they probably will choose the bill yearly. So in this way, they will get the money that they invested on Promo Republic very fast. So guys, this is why I totally recommend you the affiliate program of Promo Republic, because it will be so easy to convince people to make any purchase over here. So how you can become part of their affiliate program, it's really easily. As I told you, it's completely for free. You just have to put your first name, last name, email, password, prove that you are not a robot, agree to the terms of services, and then the next step will be putting some information like your address, your country, zip code, codes and also some other information, and then you will be ready to go. This will be your dashboard in which you are going to keep a track of all of the clicks and all of the money that you are going to make per each sale. And of course, you can withdraw them immediately in PayPal as soon as you gain them. Now guys, you're probably thinking, where is the affiliate link that I'm going to share? You are going to find it on the assets over here. Just click on it and you are going to be directed to the following page in which you are going to see the referral link over here. You are going to click on it, copy it, and now the next step, don't feel obligated to do it, but as you know, I always recommend you doing it because guys, this link is very long and you have to shorten it. You can use whatever website of shortened links you want to, but I totally recommend you Bitly because it's totally free and you don't even need to create an account on Bitly to shorten those links. You just have to paste it over here, the link, and then click on shorten it, and then you are going to copy it. And of course, the next step will be finding the free traffic source that you will need. Now guys, as I told you, because they have the bill of yearly, you won't need a lot of people. You just need some people, and in a year you are going to earn passive incomes. So some different ways in which you can find free traffic source will be, of course, through social media itself. You can go over to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or any other platform of social media that you know, and you are going to talk about on different accounts about promo reporting and explain to people about all the benefits that it has, and of course that the money that they are going to invest, it will come back to them immediately because they are going to see the results very fast. So after explaining to them, put together the affiliate link with a message and let the people click on it. So this will be one of the methods. Another one will be going over to YouTube, and there you are going to create a YouTube channel and you are going to create some videos with some screen record. Now guys, this is the one that I will recommend to you because it's completely free, but you can find different ones just by searching up on Google best free screen records, and you are going to get over to the main page of Promo Republic and you are going to talk about all the benefits that Promo Republic has, just like I did. And after finishing up, you are going to put the affiliate link at the description down below. Now the video will go viral, and of course at least 10 people are going to see it. As soon as they are going to see it, they are going to sign up, buy one of the packages, and then you are going to get your money. Another way, and the last one, will be going over to Fiverr and searching up for social media manager freelancers. I know you are a little bit surprised because you're thinking, why would we want freelancers who do the same job as Promo Republic? Well, in fact, these people might want to earn more money, but they cannot manage more accounts at the same time. So what you will have to do is recommend them Promo Republic, so in this way they will have the possibility to manage more accounts and earn more money. Just as easy as that, you are going to gain your money and then they are going to earn money too. This is a win-win situation, so it will be much easier for you. Now guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like, don't forget to subscribe, and also have a look at our other videos as well.